Malware attacks have always been a significant threat. One of the most dangerous forms today is fileless malware, which operates without leaving files on a computer system. Fileless malware resides in memory and exploits legitimate system tools. This makes it much harder to detect using traditional methods. Fileless malware uses tools like PowerShell or WMI to execute its payload. No files mean traditional antivirus can miss it. A user opens a malicious attachment, triggering the malware. It runs code in memory via trusted system tools, avoiding files. Fileless malware is hard to detect because it leaves no files and uses legitimate tools that are often whitelisted. Types of fileless malware include PowerShell-based, WMI malware, and macro-based malware, each exploiting different methods. Preventing fileless malware involves behavior-based detection, endpoint monitoring, network traffic analysis, and user education. Fileless malware represents a sophisticated threat, but with the right measures, organizations can protect themselves effectively.